In today's video, I am going to teach you how to highlight in Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to quickly emphasize keywords or give an entire block a colored background so your notes and docs are easier to scan and remember. First, let's talk about highlighting specific words or phrases inside a paragraph. Start by selecting the text you want to emphasize. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor across the words. Once the text is selected, use the keyboard shortcut. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and H together. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and H. The highlight appears instantly on the selected text. This shortcut is designed to be fast and consistent, so you don't have to move your hands off the keyboard to reach for the mouse or search through menus. If you press the shortcut again on the same selection, it will toggle the highlight off. Notion also remembers the last highlight color you used for this shortcut. So once you have a color you like, you can apply it again and again without extra clicks. Now let's cover highlighting an entire block with a background color using Notion's / command. This is perfect for calling attention to a full sentence, a checklist item, a header, or any standalone block. Place your cursor anywhere inside the block you want to highlight. Then type a / followed by the color and the word background. For example, type /yellow background to apply a soft yellow background to that whole block. Notion's command menu is smart and will suggest matching options as you type, so you can tap Enter when you see the color you want. This method is great for visually grouping related ideas or making a key takeaway stand out at a glance. A few quick tips to keep your pages readable. Choose colors that contrast well with your text so everything stays legible. If you are working in a darker theme, consider lighter backgrounds for visibility. Use highlights sparingly to direct attention without overwhelming the page. And if a highlight doesn't apply where you expect, confirm you've selected the right text for the shortcut or that your cursor is inside the correct block before using the / command. That's it! Select the text you need, press Command-Shift-H on Mac or Control-Shift-H on Windows to highlight inline, and use the / command with a color and background to highlight entire blocks. Thanks for watching.